Good evening from Scott Duckworth, Southeast Georgia, back at you again on this brand new channel. Let's get straight to the point. I don't like a bunch of ramble, and I try to just get her done. All right, I do my own oil changes most of the time on my work vehicle and my Dodge Cummins diesel. All right, let's talk about pricing, quality. Let's go to oil filters. I prefer the Napa Gold oil filter, or in some cases, O'Reilly makes a great filter, but I think there's a couple of different levels. I go with a mid-level oil filter from O'Reilly's or the Napa Gold oil filter. Here again, this is for you DIY guys who do your own oil changes, and gals. All right, let's talk about pricing and quality. All right, we've got a range here of quality types of oil. We've got Pennzoil. That's supposed to be the Cadillac of oils. All right. We have the O'Reilly oil, and we have the Walmart oil. Okay, now before you guys and gals roll your eyes back, why are we even talking about SuperTech Walmart oil? All right, in my opinion, and there's some facts in here, this has got every one of these oils have an emblem on them from the American Petroleum Institute. If your oil of choice has got this emblem on there, it meets or exceeds it meets or exceeds what is needed to be a quality oil. I run this in my 1996 Toyota Camry. That car was bought in late 1995. It's got the original engine in it, and it is loaded with miles. Now, I don't use the synthetic blend. I use a traditional or conventional SAE 10 weight 30. Helpful hint, do not, under any circumstances, in my opinion, change from conventional oil and go to synthetic. It will cost you a headache. It'll cost you a bunch of money. Luckily, it happened to me. I didn't know, but it caused me some major problems. I was fortunate enough to go on YouTube and correct those problems in my engine. Had I not have some kind of skills or DIY abilities, I would have probably been $1,000 to a $1,200 repair bill. I hope that's been a help for you here. So again, O'Reilly oil filters and Napa Gold. I hope that helps you. Oh, pricing on this here. Pennzoil, $22.48. The O'Reilly full synthetic 10 weight 30 comes in at $27.99. The SuperTech from Walmart, that's going to be a synthetic blend, comes in at only $18.98. I hope that saves you some money. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw today, smack that like button and subscribe. I've got a lot of good stuff coming up, and more and more is coming. I want to save you $1. Thank you for watching.